You're listening to the Monday Night Community Show with Daniel on BRFM.
This is the Daniel Monday Night Community Show on demand through YouTube. Thank you very much for choosing to listen to us through this method. If you'd like to keep up to date with when I add new interviews, then subscribe to this channel. So we're going to be joined on the telephone with Paul Murray. We're going to be doing a little bit of an update on something the students at the Isle of Sheppey Academy have been involved in. Paul, firstly, thank you very much for talking to us.
No problem at all.
Now, I understand that there's been, I think, is it 2 awards for the Kent Dementia Friendly Awards that you've got?
Yeah, the students were entered into 2 sections. One was the Intergenerational Community Award, and the other one was the actual Community Award itself for dementia care. So, yeah, and they ended up winning both.
So how did that all come about? Has it been something that's been going on for quite a time at the Academy and it's built up to these awards? Yeah,
basically, about 2.5 years ago, a student called Lauren Glock, supported by 2 other students who were Connor Mathams and Devon Dumont, they suggested that they wanted to do something in the community, and the thing that they wanted to do was do some work on dementia care. And we set up, first of all, visits to Barton Court in Minster with Elaine Bashford, who has been fantastically supportive of their work. And that was the first thing, where they would visit there on weekends. That was the starting point.
Now, I understand that the students have been involved in special dementia CAFs that you set up, I understand.
We have, yes. And Lauren and Devon and Connor, but particularly Lauren, wanted to set up dementia cafes as well. They saw it as a natural next step. They went to a conference at Dartford, and at this conference at Dartford, they spoke, particularly Lauren. She actually held a workshop, and one of the targets they set themselves was to start doing dementia cafes. So they applied for funding and got funding from KCC and Swale Borough Council and from Dementia People, and started doing themed cafes nearly 2 years ago.
So where are these cafes held?
We switch them. We have them on the east side one time, and then we have them on the west side the next time. So our next one, which is December the 10th, is to be held in our West Side Theatre at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And not only are dementia people welcome, it is also for people who are lonely. We've extended it to that now because we feel as though it's time. There are so many people out there in the community who are lonely, and we think it'd be lovely for them to come along as well for the afternoon.
Is this all part of a course they're taking part in?
Yeah, it fits back into the curriculum. The students who are involved, because we've got a lot more students than the 3 who started it. We've got a lot of health and social care students involved. We've got lots of drama students involved, musicians, even people from primary schools. We've had support from St George's Primary School, and in particular St Edward's Primary School in Sheerness. They come along and do lots of things for us, singing and acting and so on.
Was there anything else you'd like to get over to our listeners about what you're doing?
Yeah, basically, as the students themselves would say, they never set out to win awards. They didn't. It was something, because we've always had a big commitment to working in the community, and this was part of just another natural step for us to working in the community. And it's been a massive team event. Not only do we have lots of students and primary schools involved, but our staff ranging right the way from caretakers through to all our kitchen staff, to our cleaners, to our admin staff, to our teachers. They're all involved, and it's a real huge team event. And we couldn't do it without the support of everybody. But in particular, a huge thanks to Lauren Glock, who started the thing and is still involved, even though she's at university now. She still comes back and supports and works with us.
Well, Paul, I'd like to thank you very much for letting our listeners know all about the winning of that award, and actually the build-up to it and what the students are doing.
Thank you. It's no problem at all. As I say, the 10th of December, which is 2 weeks on Thursday, is our next Dementia Cafe on the west side at 2 o'clock, and people are very welcome to come along.
Thank you very much, Paul.
Thank you.